Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to make sure that your fin actually fits you properly. So there are so many size charts out there. We've tried our hardest to create a comprehensive size chart for all of the different fins that we offer, because even though you can have a size chart, it doesn't always specify what type of boot you're wearing. So here at Simply Scuba, we've had our elves, they've gone through all the different fins that we have in stock, and they've tried them with a soft sole boot, a hard sole boot, and a dry suit boot to make sure that you kind of get the best fit for you. But once you actually get your fin home, it might not fit you properly. So it's best to be able to check and make sure that your fin fits properly before you take it in the water and you can't return it. So let's take a look and see how your fin should fit. Okay, first up, we're going to take a look at the fin that is way too small. So with your foot pocket, so the foot pocket on the fin and your boot should be able to accommodate it really easily. This one is a bit of an effort to get into it. So if it's quite hard to physically get your foot into it, that's a real big flag that your fin is a little bit too small. Also means it's going to be really hard to get your foot back out of the fin. So you want to make sure that the foot pocket is a decent size. On the underside, you'll notice that the bottom section of the fin doesn't really go, and it kind of stops halfway down in like the arch of your foot. That's going to be really uncomfortable because the fin is going to be hinging on like the front section of your foot, and you're just going to get cramped really quickly. That's going to be super uncomfortable. So you want it to sort of extend at least towards your heel. If it can get to the back of the heel, then perfect. The top section should go a little bit higher than this. This one's almost there. You can see on your boot, you usually have protection over the top section, and it goes up quite high. This is because that top part of the foot pocket of your fins should go a little bit higher than that. This is protecting the boot from the usual wear and tear, but it should go a little bit higher. And the third sort of bit is that these ones, especially the spring heel strap, is really hard to get over the back of your heel. It should be quite easy, just one-handed, just to pull it over the back of your heel and you're in. Okay, now we're going to look at a pair of fins that is too big. So these ones, they have a whopping great big foot pocket in them, and your foot goes in nice and easily, which is great, but you've got a lot of wiggle room inside of it. That means that your fin is just going to move around. It's going to be really uncomfortable. You're going to wear out your boots as well, and you also run the risk of them actually falling off during the dive. So with this one, you can see that the top section of the foot pocket actually goes right up to the top of that protection section. So yeah, they're way too big. It might offer a little bit of protection, but that's really at the extreme. You want it a little bit lower down than that. The underside, you can see this really comes up to the edge of your heel, so that's not too bad. But yeah, so that gives you all of that kind of leverage. You're using all of the foot. It's not going to hinge halfway in the arch of your foot, so that's not too bad. But the rest of the things are going to be a real hindrance, and that spring heel strap is really not going to be holding on to anything. So your fins are going to be floppy, they're going to move around, they're going to irritate you, and if the worst comes to the worst, they might actually fall off your foot during the dive. Okay, and now we have the Goldilocks one. So this one fits just right. So the foot goes into the foot pocket. You get a little bit of resistance, but it's quite easy. There's no kind of wiggle room on the inside, especially when you're wearing it. Just pick it up, shake your foot from side to side. If there's any wiggle, then it's a little bit too big. If it feels like it's perched right on the edge of your toes, then it's way too small. On the underside, then this goes up and it covers most of the heel, so it's not going to be hinging across the arch, so your foot's going to stay nice and comfortable. You've got all that leverage. The top section comes up just about 1 centimeter under the top of that protective section on your boots. That might be different on your boots, but you still have plenty of sort of protective section, and it comes up nicely in that kind of arch of your ankle. And the spring heel strap, it gets gets a little bit of tension going over the back of your heel, but it stays in position. It's not cramming your foot into the pocket, but it's not so loose that it could fall off during the dive. So these fins, this size fits really nicely. This is what your fin should look like and feel like when it's on your foot. Okay, so that was a quick look to see how your fins should fit. So hopefully when you get them home, they feel nice and comfy and you're gonna whisk through the water really quick and easy. But let us know in the comments below what fin you use and why. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.